Today, I'm going to tell you how to cut spring onions for salad. For this, I've taken a set of spring onions. I've nicely washed and cleaned them. Now I'm going to keep it facing the shoot portion right on top and I'm going to cut it completely. Following this, I'm also going to take off the root portion from the spring onions here. After cutting this, we then place the spring onions upright and we're going to nicely chop it from the center once. This will make it easier for us to accommodate the spring onions into the salad. For salad, now we need to again chop this into fine portions like you see in the video. We then take the root portion separately and also follow the same method. We are now going to nicely chop it well. Here you see, ensure that these are very small in portion. And we can now add this completely into the salad as it is. One thing I'd like to mention here is you need to wash and clean it prior to cutting it, because washing it after cutting would actually lead to loss of nutrients.